Drones have different uses, from reconnaissance to offensive operations. It is very difficult to name the best attack drones in the world because each type of drone has its own strengths and weaknesses depending on the complexity and intelligence of the drones. Also, attack drones have not been widely used on battlefields around the world, which makes them relatively new weapons that make them difficult to classify. With this excuse, in the rest of this article, we are going to introduce you to 5 of the best and most advanced offensive drones in the world. 1. S-70 Okhotnik, Russia. The S-70 story began in August 2009, when it was revealed that Russia's Sukhoi and MiG companies were working on a heavy attack drone. In July 2012, it was announced that Sukhoi would become the main developer of the drone. In June 2018, the first samples of the Hunter UAV were introduced, and in November of the same year, images of the ground test of this UAV with a speed of 200 km per hour were published. In December 2018, the readiness of this UAV for the first flight was announced by the Deputy Minister of Defense of Russia, Alexei Krivorochko, and it was stated that the work on this project is a priority and is progressing in good conditions. In January 2019, military experts announced that images of this advanced Russian drone, known as the Okhotnik, had been released. At the beginning of 2019, it was revealed that the third Su-57 prototype was used as a flying laboratory to test a number of systems in the Okhotnik project, especially in the field of avionics, communications, and group use of drones. In August 2019, Okhotnik made its first flight, lasting more than 20 minutes. This bird, under the control of an operator, performed several flight tests at an altitude of 600 meters and landed successfully. In September 2019, the Ministry of Defense of Russia reported that the first joint flight of this drone and a Su-57 fighter took place, which lasted for more than 30 minutes. 2. Bayraktar TB2, Turkey. The Bayraktar TB2 surveillance and attack drone was made by the Turkish company Baykar Makina, which is one of the military contractors of the country's ground forces. This drone is a version of the Bayraktar Blockbee project and belongs to the class of tactical drones with a medium flight height and a long flight length. Bayraktar TB2 has more advanced software and control system than the Israeli Heron drone. According to media reports, the Turkish ground force has ordered 3 unmanned aerial systems based on this drone for the first time, which included 6 drones, 3 ground control stations and equipment and repair kits. The drone team also includes the commander, pilot and operator responsible for firing weapons. The Bayraktar TB2 drone is equipped with a Rotax 912 internal combustion engine with a capacity of 100 liters. The maximum speed of 250 km per hour up to the cruise speed of 130 km and the flight ceiling of 7,300 meters are other features of this Turkish drone, and its body is made of composite materials. This drone benefited from the automatic takeoff and landing system and is equipped with a variety of cameras and surveillance systems that allow it to be used for surveillance operations. 3. MQ-9 Reaper, Predator B, United States. The Predator B drone is based on the successful RQ/MQ-1 Predator multi-role drone and was developed by General Atomic Aeronautical Systems. Work on the Predator B began in secret in 1998, partially funded by NASA. The first flight of the prototype took place in February 2001. The Predator B drone is a larger version of the RQ/MQ-1 Predator, and its main difference is that it has a more traditional V-shaped tail, which makes for a better design. The manufacturing company has successfully tested 2 different engines on this drone. The first engine was a Honeywell TPE 33110T turbofan and the second one was a Williams FJ44-2A turbojet engine. The Predator B's equipment is almost identical to that seen on the RQ/MQ-1, consisting of a Raytheon/ASS-52V wide field optoelectric infrared camera system and a General Atomics and /APY-8 link synthetic aperture radar. 4. Heron TP, Israel. EA Heron, or Heron 1, is a medium-altitude UAV with the longest flight duration, designed for reconnaissance and surveillance operations. The latest version of this UAV, known as Heron TP or Aton, in addition to performing long-range flight missions for more than 45 hours at an altitude of 10,700 meters, is bigger than the previous models. Among the equipment of this UAV, We can mention the navigation system based on the Satellite Navigation System, SNS, which allows it to fly automatically for a long time. Heron is equipped with a digital control system with two-way data transmission systems. This drone has been purchased in different versions by Australia, Brazil, Canada, Ecuador, Germany, India, Turkey and the United States. The load capacity of this Israeli drone is 2,700 kilograms, and its maximum weight at the time of takeoff is 5,400 kilograms. Its length is 14 meters and its wingspan is 26 meters, and it uses a Pratt & Whitney Canada PT667A engine. The maximum speed of the final version is 407 km per hour and its range is 7,400 kilometers, which can stay in the sky for more than 30 hours. And its flight ceiling is more than 14,000 meters. The price of each of these Israeli drones is more than $10 million. 5. MQ-20 Avenger, Predator C, United States. The American company General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, GAAS, which is the developer of one of the main drones used by the country's military, called Predator, introduced a new version of it in the year, which is designed for use on aircraft carriers. This drone can carry 2 GBU-38 JDAM laser-guided bombs of 220 kilograms. Its length is 10 meters, and in newer versions, at least half a meter will be added to this length, while the length of its ammunition section is approximately 3 meters. Like Predator B, Predator C is designed to carry about 1 ton of weapons and sensors. The engine has an S-shaped air intake nozzle and is cooled to reduce infrared detection. The Pratt & Whitney Canada PW545B engine has been able to achieve a maximum speed of 740 km for this American drone, but the developers believe that it is possible to increase its speed with a flight ceiling of 18,000 meters. The wingspan of this drone is 20 meters with an angle of 17 degrees, which gives it stealth power. The length of the MQ-20 Avenger UAV is more than 13 meters and its maximum takeoff weight is 8,255 kilograms.